Hi guys, I hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a loss I've taken this morning trading gold in one of my funded accounts. So I want this video to help you in case if you guys take a loss, you know how to handle it. So basically this morning when I woke up, I wanted to buy gold because I saw London started, like when I woke up, there was a London buy already. So I wanted to like get a re-entry for the buy, and there was no chance for me to get the entry. So what I did is I did my analysis as usual, and then I set an alert because I use a lot of alert. So I set alert and I went back to bed. I was just waiting for the alert to get triggered, and I would be looking for entries.
2,000 years later.
Because I'm on vacation, as I said, I'm supposed to take 1 week of vacation, but right now I extended it for 2 weeks. So I just set my alert. I waited for price came, it tapped my alert, it got triggered, and then I got on the chart. I looked for my entry. I got my entry. I've taken the setup. And normally, when you watch my videos, you know that when I take a setup, I always target previous high. Let's say when price is buying, and then it gives me a pullback. That previous high price created in case if I want to buy. When the pullback happen, I buy. I target the previous high. But in this case, my buy setup, if I would target previous high, that would be like maybe a 2R, or I don't know if it's even up to 3R. And I was looking for something around 5R to 6R, even 8R. But then price, but it took the previous high as usual, which is supposed to be my TP, but I didn't take it as TP. So one of the key advice or lesson you can take from this is, because when you take a setup, always have a TP that makes sense based on your analysis. In this case, my analysis says that my TP should be previous high, but for me, I was targeting some higher time frame setup. I didn't take any partial or anything like that, and price came back after taking the high. It came back, it dropped, and then it went through my stop loss. Normally, the setup I've taken, that would have been a break even because price already took the previous high. There was no reason for me to be keeping my stop loss. But the reason why I didn't go break even is because normally when I take my setup, sometimes price come back and hit my entry before going back to TP. So those sort of BE before TP, I don't want it to happen. And I know I'm profitable. If I set break even or not, I know that on the long run, I'm definitely gonna make money. So because of that, I don't put my stop loss at break even if price goes in profit. I rarely put at break even unless maybe price goes for some high profit, maybe on the higher time frame, some huge pips, then maybe sometime I do set at break even, but most of the time I don't. So price came by, hit my stop loss, and I lost around $700 plus on my funded account. That's X. Remember, I made a video. I told you guys I was passing a phase 1, phase 2 with funded X, and I did pass, and I got the funded account, and you can see that I took some losses on the account right now. So I really hope that I may still recover the losses because I know I'm profitable. I just want you guys to know how to deal with losses. I took my loss. I just closed my laptop. I don't even know where I put it. I didn't bring it here. I think it's somewhere in the room, right? So I closed my laptop and I just came to the pool here. Maybe in a while I'm gonna be swimming. So I don't want that loss to be like playing with my psychology. So when I take a loss, I take it like something normal. So I just put my laptop, go do whatever activity I have for the rest of the day, and I come back later, probably back test, and then tomorrow, new day, and let's see if we can make more money. And again, this month of August, I already had 2 payouts. I had $1,600 payout with the Talented Trader, and I have another payout. The Talented Trader is a HFT prop firm, so if you guys want to get funded with HFT prop firms without having to pass challenge, you can check them out. And I also got another payout with Alpha Capital Group, which is around $1,400 as well. If you take 1,400 plus 1,600, that's like $3,000 payout in this month of August, which is pretty nice. I mean, there's no complaint about making 3K a month. That's the month still didn't finish, so I can't say that I make 3K a month, but you know, you understand what I mean. And apart from that, I also have more payout coming soon. I have one of my Alpha Capital Group account. I made more money, so I have payout in less than 2 weeks. Basically, maybe by the end of August, I have another about 1.2K payout with Alpha Capital, and I also have another 1.2 or 1.3K payout with Funded Next, which is going to be in September. So a lot of payout are to come. So because of one loss, I can't take it like something that's gonna bring me down. So I just want you guys to understand that when you take a loss, it's something normal, and you just have to get through it. It's part of the process. You take losses, you take wins, and overall, you just want to make sure that your losses are more than your wins. Because the setup I took, my TP should have been like 4K, and my stop loss was 750. So if you see well, that's my TP is much more than my stop loss. Make sense? So that's why even if you take one loss or two losses, if you take just one or two wins, it's okay to make back those losses plus make some profit. And again, that wouldn't like prevent you from being profitable because it's part of the business. And I hope you guys the best. And after that, I guess I'm gonna go to swim. So catch you guys later.